they should be applied earlier. The next thing is when you become in the old age, the bodily consciousness grows. I am a good example actually. So what if once you start aging out, 30s are different from 40s, 40s are different from 50s. बालस्तावद् क्रीडासक्तः तरुणस्तावद् तरुणीरक्तः वृद्धस्तावद् चिन्तासक्तः अरे परे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न शक्तः. Shankaracharya is telling. Every time we are busy. Actually, I'm saying, if you ask anybody to chant, Prabhuji, can you chant? Read Bhagavatam. Busy. As though you are never free. As though you are never free before, always busy. But you tell, there is a movie happening, can you come? I'll try. Or there is a party, we'll come. I have seen actually the devotees, they arrange their birthday program in our temple. All the devotees will come. They have enough time. Probably we have a program Saturday. We are busy. Alright, what busy? Busy bee. And I lived in West Virginia, New Vrindavan for years. And these honeybees would come when summer. The moment summer starts, honeybees would start. And many times I told them, hey, come to the Bhagavatam class. These bees would say, we are busy. What busy? 4 months later, one day I was climbing the stairs. October, November month. Freezing cold. These honeybees, they lost their wings waiting for death. 4 months. They did not even come to the class. And their 4 months endeavor collecting honey is sold in the Walmart for $3, which is your 1 minute earning. These guys did not even, I'm just giving an allegory, they did not even come to Bhagavatam class, but they were busy collecting honey like we collect money. But 4 months later, that honey is taken away and sold in the Walmart for $3, which is your 1 minute. Likewise, for them 4 months, for us 40 years. That money will be in the bank balance suffering. Devatas will be telling, foolish honeybees. Let us not declare that. We all have bank balance. 50 years later, that will be there, we won't be there. You agree? Yes. So let us have a bank balance today. 2.40. Swalpa mapyasya dharmasya trayate mahotobhayat. This verse has given so much faith for me. Swalpa. 2015 December, what is today's date? 9. You came all the way, though you have so many engagements to attend Bhagavatam class. And you will take prasad. This bank Swalpa, any Kannada people here? Kannada. Swalpa. And little Swalpa. Asya dharmasya. It will save you from great fear. You did wrong thing. And after birth, nature says, this person is very bad. He should suffer in hellish planets. Krishna says no. 2015, December 17th. Sorry, what 19th? He came and attended my program. So we'll give him another chance. One more time we'll give him visa to human body and to America also, no problem. Because I'm serious. I'm honest. Trayate mahatovayat, it will save you from great fear. What is a great fear? Fear of falling into animal kingdom. If you are destined to become animal, Krishna says, no, don't touch me. So, we are busy. Balastavad krida sakta. Childhood we are busy playing. Little bit grown up, our desires change. Tarunastavad taruni rakta. We are attracted to opposite sex. You are married, you are busy with responsibilities. Then vruddhastavad chinta sakta. Old age. You want to know what people of old age speak? You have diabetes? I also have. Nice fitting. You have BP also? Oh, I also, the best friends. Misery loves company. I'm serious. You know. Then another person, I don't have BP, I'm useless. We are good friends. So there is a saying, in the youth your heart is stolen, in the old age heart is swollen. So Shankaracharya is telling, Arare, every time we are telling busy. Vruddhastava chinta magna, we are absorbed in chinta. Children are not listening, body is failing, we cannot see properly, cannot walk properly. Arare, but Pare Brahmani, nobody is willing to become Krishna conscious. Let us become Krishna conscious now, not tomorrow. So, next. One day, one old lady was going with the back bent. One young man asked, she was having a stick and she was looking down, back bent, she was asking, what you lost? $1 or what on the ground? You're looking at the ground. She said, Rere murkha na janasi gatam tarnyam aptikam. I lost $1 of youth. Don't worry, you'll also lose very soon. So before that day comes, let us become Krishna conscious today. It's very, very important. Two people. Krishna consciousness brings maturity, and the real solution should be applied today. Actually, I want to speak that session, but I changed it. What is name? Vidura, Mahabharata war, before it started, because Duryodhana offended him like anything, Vidura went away. Vidura did not want to come back. Why? Vidura is my Yamaraj, pure devotee. But he came back again for only one reason. What is that one reason he came back? To see his brother, Dhritarashtra. And Dhritarashtra, if you see first kind of Srimad Bhagavatam, gives left and right to Dhritarashtra. So Dhritarashtra by this time became much more old, and what is that? Andha vadeva badiro. Brother, by birth you are andha. Now you have become deaf also. Badira. Kapamudvahan. When you are speaking, your throat is filled with kapam in the throat, phlegm. But still you are so attached to the royal pleasures, you are not realizing. You orchestrated so many ways with your son to kill these people, these brothers, but they are so wonderful, they are actually feeding you. Still you are so attached to senses, shamelessly you are sitting here and enjoying. Can you believe? He knew everything. With Duryodhana, he plotted, he was part of it. He wanted to kill Pandavas, he knew it. But Yudhishthira was so generous. After the 100 sons were killed, he kept them in the palace. He would go every day and touch their feet, and he would take good care of them. And Dhritarashtra is enjoying. Who will enjoy? You want to kill them, but they are maintaining you, and you are sitting here and enjoy. Get out from here. Prabhupada says there in the purport that those days there was only one Dhritarashtra. Nowadays everyone is Dhritarashtra. Nobody wants to leave home. And you don't want anyone to leave home. What it means is nobody wants to become Krishna conscious. Become Krishna conscious. Today, exactly opposite is Parikshita. Atma Jaya Sadagara Pasu Drona Bandusha Raja Chavikla Nityam Virudam Mamatam Jahav. Young man, one mistake happened under the direct will of Krishna. Garlanded Samyak Rishi with a dead snake. Immediately Sringi, the son of Samyak Rishi, cursed him to death in 7 days. You are a young man and full of youth. Now you are on the verge of death in 7 days. So you came back to kingdom, and what he did when he heard? 3 options. Counter curse Srungi, Samika Rishi. Take the army and root them out. Or withdraw all the insurance and go to Hawaii and enjoy for 7 days. He did neither. You know? Okay, you may be thinking that. I'll tell a real story. Our temple president, a sales head for entire SAP Switzerland. And they told him, next year, we will make you the head for entire Europe. But that year what happened? His wife, who brought him to Krishna consciousness, and his son died in an accident. He was less than 1 or 2 years less than 50. He told me, Yugal Kishore, I had 3 options. I mean, one option is, I'll become mad after sense enjoyment because so much money. 2, I mean, grow in the, career, and go for all the material pleasures. That's what Europe is all about. 2, become an alcoholic. Continue the regular material life. 3, join full time. He chose the 3rd one. And I know many of you know Radhadesh, Belgium, Bhaktivedanta College. So one person has to renounce something for the world to enjoy. Gandhi took a vow when he came to India from South Africa. He saw the suffering. He called his wife and said, it's a material example. Still it conveys a lot of message. I don't want, I can't bear this. I want to dedicate my life for this cause. Kasturba agreed fully. At the age of 33, Gandhi became a celibate and gave the full energy. And he was married at 15. Children grew up. So then he resolved to fight with British. He writes in My Experiments with Truth. So one person sacrifices, then the world enjoys. So this person, and he joined full time Radhadesh Bhaktivedanta, Radhadesh, Belgium. And it has to be repaid $1 million. He told me from his pocket he put 900K. No family. So let me dedicate. Today it has become a university. So this person worked very hard. So renunciation gives a lot of happiness. I mean, I'm not telling anybody to do it. Stay where you are. Take good care of the family with responsibility. But inside the heart, if you work for Krishna, the day will come. Like Maharaj Parikshit, 7 days you have to live. If you work throughout your life for Krishna, that day you'll be totally detached because you are attached to Krishna. Atma Jaya Sata Agara Pasu Dravana Bandhushu. He lost his attachment for the body, his wife, children, home, the kingdom. Pasu, the cars. Those days, horses, nowadays cars. Dravana, money, Bandhushu, relatives. Otherwise, all these relatives, ooh. And you'll also, ooh. The next time you'll become your son's son. That's it. And Maharaj Parikshit left in 1 second. Did not even look back. We go to toilet and we flush it. Do we go see it? No, we don't see it. Because throughout his life, though as an emperor, it appeared, he was an opulence, but he used his opulence in service of Krishna. When the time came, that the renunciation dawned, a detachment came, and he left. He went back to Godhead. That is the worship of Krishna. What is that? Janayatya suvairagyam jnanam chayataitu. Vasudeva Bhagavati. If you worship Krishna, the personality of Godhead, Bhagavan, Bhakti Yoga Prajita, Gola Bhakti Yoga, what happens? At right time, a detachment will come. Jnanam, knowledge will come. Bhaitikam. They will come, causeless mercy of Krishna. These two will come at the right time. So, what is that? Next. That's it. Huh? 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, that's it. So, let us make a fresh offering to Krishna, whatever the energy we have. Trust me, Krishna will take care of you that day. Little you do for Krishna, Swalpa, Krishna will take care of you. Krishna becomes very grateful. Actually, Nectar Devotion says, when Draupadi was calling Krishna, she raised only 3 times, Hey Krishna, Hey Govinda. The every call Draupadi is making, Krishna is becoming indebted to Draupadi. So, likewise, what is that? If you genuinely put your heart, it works wonders. Not like a rotten apple is there, let me offer. So one actually Bhaktivedanta Thakur example is there. What is that? One Brahmana, he purchased kurmura. How many of you know muri? Puffed rice. So he developed desire to eat them. So because he want to, I think he has a vow to eat prasad. Many of us have like that. So you will tell your family, today offer Krishna gulab jamun. Why you want to eat gulab jamun? But a day should come, whether you want to eat gulab jamun or not. Offer Krishna gulab jamun. That is bhakti. It is very cold. Make a herbal tea for Krishna. It is very hot. Make a sharbat for Krishna. Some temples in ISKCON, that pujari whoever cooks, they don't eat what they cook. That is a true devotion, right? Otherwise, as you are making, you will keep your things aside. So that's why this rules is there in India. It is not there so much in the West. And why there is a fear? If they tell like you, pujari will say, I will not cook. So that is not pure devil service. So this guy, as he was walking, he developed a desire. So immediately what he did, and he put his hand to eat. Nobody is watching. But air was blowing, this kurmura started flying. Krishna, eat Krishna. That is not, that is not bhakti. So, true bhakti is actually a true offering. If you do like that, there is one more story, Nrsimha Puran, great story. Should I tell? I'll finish with that. One man wanted to enjoy a prostitute. This is also from Nrsimha Puran only. One man wanted to enjoy a prostitute. So, they have to cross a river and they chose a place. So he was holding a bunch of flowers and they were going with hand in hand, crossing the river. And as they were crossing the river, the current was increasing. When they went in the middle, they realized the flood is high, we can't cross the river. And that lady swept off. This guy was trying to cross and he understood, I will not leave. So what he did, he took the flowers, started throwing in the air. Krishna Arpanam Govinda Arpanam, Krishna Arpanam Govinda. All the flowers he threw. And he also swept off, died. He went to hellish planets. Yamaraj said, Chitragupta said, this guy did all the wrong things. He should be punished. But wait. The last minute of his life, he did an offering to Krishna in a fruity way. That's why he did not get bhakti, but he got some punya. For that, he has half an hour to enjoy in the heavenly planets. Yamaraj asked, you want to suffer first and go and enjoy? Or you want to enjoy first and come back and suffer? Choice is yours. We'll all say, let us suffer first, then at the end we enjoy. We leave the sweet at the end to eat. So this guy is intelligent. I want to enjoy first. So alright, take this guy to heavenly planets. So they put him in an aeroplane and they were taking. So where do you want to go to the heaven and enjoy? Take me to Nandana Gardens. Nandanvan, where there are so many flowers. So he went. So they left him for half an hour. And half an hour later, they came and picked up. You know what this guy did? As soon as he landed, he started throwing every flower in there. Krishna Arpanam, Govinda Arpanam. Arey, 2 flowers I threw, I got half an hour. If I throw half an hour flowers, a little more benefit. So he started throwing Krishna Arpanam, Govinda Arpanam, Krishna Arpanam. Half an hour they came, I picked him. So then they opened the computer to see how data corrupt. So his record is totally corrupt. So Yamaraj said, I am unable to retrieve. So what happened? Yamaraj understood. This guy is very intelligent. Because he used his half an hour, I told that. With your intelligence, you are saved. Go and enjoy in the heavenly planets. But you all know, Kshina Punye Marti Lokam Vishanti. This guy will come down. If you don't develop bhakti, again you will come down next time. So, the point is, little, if you do in a fruity way, you have that much. What if you do in a genuine way? That's what Uddhava says. Aho bakiyam stanakala kutam jigam sayapaya yadapya sadvi lebhegatin datri uchitam tatonyam kamvadayalam sharanam rajema. What is that? Uddhava and Vidura. This Putana came with a desire to kill Krishna, smearing her breast with poison that can kill hundreds of people. But Krishna is so magnanimous. He was only 7 days old. And this Putana is coming to give me, so let me give her what? The position of Mother Yashoda. Putana got the position of Mother Yashoda in the spiritual world. Kamvadayalam. How can I worship somebody else other than Krishna, who is the most magnanimous person? Tell me, Vidura, how can I worship somebody else? Krishna gave Putana the position of Yashoda, though she came to kill. Kamvadayalam Saranam Rajam. So let us make. If Putana got that, what will we get? Genuinely, if you genuinely do service, 10 minutes, not 10 hours. So we go to bathroom every day, half an hour. Let us use another half an hour to cleanse our heart. If you're already chanting more, let us become sincere. Spirituality means sincerity. Sincerity in what? Declaring war against mind. Mind is nonsense. We are not the mind. So that person who is ruthless with the mind, who is sincere with the sadhana, he will attain the perfection of life in this life, not after death. Ramanacharya did not give the promise. Shankaracharya did not give the promise. Madhvacharya did not give the promise. Nimbarkacharya did not give the promise. Prabhupada said, chant 16 rounds, follow 4 regular principles. This lifetime I'll take you back, come back to Godhead. Prabhupada said that. If you're not qualified, I'll take you from back door. ISKCON is there in the spiritual world. Prabhupada said that actually. It's a promise by Acharya Prabhupada. And we'll attain what bhakti, Vrindavan bhakti, Vraj bhakti. That's what I said in the beginning. So let us become Krishna conscious today. Of course, Acharya's blessings are there on Prabhupada. That's why Prabhupada told like that. All the Acharya's blessings are there. Any question or comment? Very grateful for your patient audience. If I have spoken anything wrong, please do excuse me. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. It's not my lecture actually. My God was lecture and I just copied. I thought, some new people he said. I never thought. Anyway, so very grateful to Krishna Purushottam Prabhu, invited me. And he has been inviting, as he said in the beginning, I take a lot of inspiration from him. Inspiration from thank you. Inspiration from Sundaram. And all the senior devotees. I'm good for nothing but, grosthas, children, family responsibilities. Still, The push is so wonderful to look at and hear it. I'm very grateful. So that is the power, Bhakta Shakti. Together, if we, why only 150 people, 40 people? Why not 5,000 people? So your plates are served. If you come to Krishna consciousness, trust me, your plates are served. How many of you know one day, that is my sixth question, one day before you came to Krishna consciousness, you would come to Krishna consciousness and it will change your life? How many of you know? Nobody. Why in the 7.3 billion population, why we are the chosen ones? I would break all the regulatory principles. So Krishna chose us. Lord Chaitanya chose us. Let us become grateful and give Krishna to others. Give Krishna doesn't mean lectures. Little prasad. A book. I was listening to Vaisheshik Prabhu's lecture yesterday morning. What a powerful lecture. Make others feel special. Then they will listen. Your plates are served, I'm honest. For sure. Like in the temple, you'll be serving prasad. 200 people. How many people have prasad? 100 people. What about my plate? You'll start giving sabji as chutney. You can't tell anybody, my plate is not. Then one Prabhu will come. Prabhu, give. There are so many trays underneath. This is not the only tray. Really? You'll start giving chutney as sabji. Eat. No, enough. No. Eat prasad. ज़्यादा लेना है. ज़्यादा लेंगे तो ताकत आएगा. Why? And that Prabhu knew. Your plates are already made. Oh, really? So your plates are made. Give Krishna to others. Any question or comment?
Thank you for coming.
Any question or comment?
He is having a question.
How can we increase our hankering for devotional service? Because devotees, they try to follow all the rules, but somehow the fire sometimes it lacks, So our hankering should be very high. If we want to get liberated, we want to see the Lord. There is so many desires we can have, but we have to work towards it. So how can we be more sincere and increase our hankering for more devotional service?
Stay in the association of devotees. Problem with America, I have seen there are not many devotees. Second problem is the devotees who are there not very advanced. India means you'll have unlimited number of devotees, and they are all advanced. But unfortunately, we are here. You should know one thing. If the doors for American open, there are so many people from India want to come to America to preach. Why? Prabhupada started the movement from here. So the mercy, America has a lot of mercy. So somehow or other, we are here. Many devotees tell me whenever I go to India, so we all want to come, we can't come. Please. So if you preach, you'll get a lot of mercy from Prabhupada. But I'm honest with you, it is not easy. Today morning I was telling, Valmiki chanted for 60,000 years. Ram, 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 Ram became Rama. And what Valmiki, Kali Yuga means, Kalau, Narayana Upanishad explains, Kalau Tad Hari Kirtanat. The process of Kali Yuga is Hari Kirtan. And we don't even chant 60 years. We'll get the same benefit. Do you think Maya will let you go so easily? You put your hands like this. After 20 minutes, the gravitational pull. But if you resist, your muscles will develop the strength. But if my hands are paining, if you leave it, it will go down. So to the extent you resist, that much extent you get the strength. So we should not just like that give in to it. Sadhana, get up in the morning, sleep early. Many times I said this, your engineering entrance or medical entrance, the energy you put, 50% you put here, you'll attain the perfection. 2 o'clock also your friends are awake. He is studying till 2 o'clock, let me study till 3 o'clock. But here, 5:30 abba. Another half. Every day he'll get up at 7:45 only. Right? Alarm. He'll put the alarm very sincerely. What time he'll put the alarm? 4:45. 4:45. Third. 5:15. Third. Finally he'll understand it. Very difficult to get up. We'll take the alarm and we'll turn it stop. No. You need to make a that's why I said spirituality means sincerity. Sleep early. Get up early. And I told him once, he inspires me a lot. I said, you did 400, I did at least 4 Bhagavatam sets. So it's working. One line. One line it is working somewhere. Not that he is just left alone. I told him the fire you lighted, it's working there. We're trying our best. This guy is married with kids, he is doing, why not we? Let us try. Krishna Purushottam Prabhu, I cannot do 400, but I'll do 4, I'll start. Inspire other. When you are in a group, the best service you can do to others is by, you can do others by your example. Prabhuji, what time you finished rounds? 11 o'clock, still 11 rounds. What example are you setting? How many rounds you have? 11. What about you? Prabhuji, I finished 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 in the morning? Yeah, every day I finish at 7:30. Really? That devotee will never tell you he has 11 rounds at 11 o'clock. Should I share with you something interesting? I went to Vrindavan. I decided to do parikrama every day. Govardhan. Every day. And you go do parikrama, that is mind nonsense. You do parikrama 6 hours, then you are tired. And I thought I will do 32 rounds. But no. One day, I did like this for 5 days. This guy came, doctor from Columbus. Sat next to me, Pramilas. We were going, he was talking to his wife in America. So the past 3-4 days it's going on very well. Doing parikrama and chanting 64 rounds. You are chanting 64 rounds? You're a married man. And actually I used to, in the initial days, I knew him from 2 rounds. He would come to temple and I would speak him volumes. That false ego is sometimes very good. You have false ego. When you are doing, why not me? Trust me. That day onwards, up to Yatra start, I did 64 every day. Why? Probably it's all mind. Did parikrama, came back, sleep 1 hour, get up. I have to do 64 rounds. Do you have time? We sit and talk. Temple lecture is over 3 hours. No problem. But 2 rounds extra, difficult. In the family, especially married people, we have no idea what happens in the 4 walls. The best thing is, if you encourage others, I'll give you one more example. Should I give you?
Please.
You all know, how many of you know Sri Govind Datta Prabhu? You all know, right? And he used to study in Carnegie Mellon. And I don't know now his position. That time, wow. So, the Janmashtami, I don't know which year, we served prasad 12 o'clock. You all know Janmashtami. We long not for Krishna but water. You want Krishna or water? Water. No, definitely long for Krishna. So 12 o'clock Aarti is over 12:30. You are doing full time, you have to serve prasad. So you are serving prasad. By the time I ate prasad, 1:30, 1:45. Means what? It is understood you will not get up for Mangalarti. You have an excuse also. You slept, you ate, whole day you fasted and you danced, and 1:45 you ate, 1:45 and you laid down. In 4:30. How many hours? 2 to 4:30, 2.5 hours and 15 minutes. And alarm rang. I looked like this. This guy got up. Tap, he wore his towel and he went to bathroom. Like a rocket. How can he? I hate to see this guy come back and go to Mangalarti when I am doing full time. I'm saffron. That day, just because that is actually sometimes ego is very good, false ego. And got up. Because I don't want him to come and put tilak in front of me and 5 minutes late. It's already 4:30. Start thinking it's 4:37. No, I got up and did Mangalarti. So the point is, we should encourage others with our behavior. Not how many rounds? 11. 11. Hath milao. Fine. He did 100 sets, you should do 90 sets. Somebody did 20 rounds, you should do 22 rounds. Trust me, somebody will follow you. People will come. For sure. No doubt, and that's Prabhupada. Prabhupada was only one man. And he created his whole sales field. Today, how many books? ISKCON sold 500 million books. It all started with one person. What is his fire? So, you want to come with me? Yes. No, I don't care. You want to come? Come. If not, no, I'll go. Hare Krishna, I'll get Krishna. Not so much time left for you. Do you agree 50% of your life is over? More. Right? So why not you become serious? Which place in India? So North India. So any Hindi movie or any movie, first off is duets and all. Second off serious. Sir, fighting with the villain. No, you don't. I'm just telling a joke. Second half of the movie, any movie in India, very serious. First half is not that much serious. So if you think 50% is over, second half is serious. Let us become serious. I'm serious. And tomorrow will never come to me. If you invest every dollar, you'll get $1 million. Will you invest only $3? You'll take all the money you stole, everything, and you'll invest. You'll ask your friend loan also. This US bank is giving this much, Chase Bank. Serious, very serious. Get up in the morning, finish your rounds. 13 rounds before you go to office. And the lunch time, finish in 15 minutes, finish 3 rounds. I can tell so many stories actually if you want. How I was inspired in India. You want to hear one story?
Yes.
How many of you want to hear one story? Actually, these stories are amazing. There is one Prabhu. He gets about 2 o'clock. One set, 16 hour. Every day. He's Grostha. He's not full time like me. I can't do it, but he's a Grostha, he does. One set, 16 hour. Second set, 16 hour. He'll come to temple. Before 12 o'clock, he'll finish his rounds. How many? 64. From Bombay. Bombay is like New York of America. Then, now he is retired. But when he was doing business also, he was doing it. He would read Prabhupada books 3 hours. How many hours?
3 hours.
3 hours. And he'll take rest. Actually, after Prasad, he'll take 1 hour rest. Then he'll get out 3 o'clock, 3 to 6, he'll read. Then he'll start for preaching. He has programs Monday to Sunday, every day. He would preach, he would come back at 10 o'clock, take glass of milk, sleep. 10 to 2, 4 o'clock again. He did like this, his wife told a couple of years ago. Same day he arranged marriage for his daughter and son. Same day. And wife said, where will you get the time? You have to give that 1 hour only. Because that 1 hour only he sleeps 4 hours minimum. I told the entire story for this one line. He told his wife, millions of lifetimes I performed marriage to my kids. This is not new. Nothing new. Krishna will take care. The marriage came 15 days before. 15 days close. But this guy is not responding. Wife said, India is still India. Wife said, please. He said, all right. Then, then he started printing all the wedding cards. That is a statement. Millions of lifetimes I performed wedding to all my kids. This is not new. I have a question for you. Do you think he chanted 64 rounds on this wedding day or not? He did. His name is Gudakesh Prabhu, a disciple of Radha Govind Maharaj in Mumbai. Brahmacharis go around him. That type of powerful preacher. He convinced one more Prabhu. This is a great story, ultimate story. He preached to one more guy. That guy was a jeweler. Can I take 2 minutes? I'll finish it.
Please, Prabhu. Please.
That guy was a jeweler. He would do business, jewelry business. And he saw Gudakesh Prabhu, his lifestyle, and he has 3 kids. And he developed a desire to join full time. And he went and asked his wife and kids, what do you think? Wife and kids said, Dad, what? Wife said, whatever you say is fine. That's when the problem came. As a jeweler, so Krishna puts people in tests only to bring out the great things. One day, they told me, these diamond merchants, they would go normally. They put the diamonds in the pocket and casually they go. That way people don't notice. If you go in a car and all, somebody will, this is Mumbai, right? One day he carried diamonds worth 25 lakhs. His pocket was cut and it was stolen. So by the time he decided to join full time, what happened? He lost 25 lakhs in business. This is not like India 2015 where rupee has no value. This is like 15 years ago. At least 12, 13 years ago. 10 years for sure. Then now your business children are still in the college. No money. What he did, again he's back to square one. Don't know what to do. He was winding up his business. Now he has to go back to business. And he asked devotees, what should I do? Now all the devotees said, no, ये खाने का problem है. Now you should give it up. A real story. Should I continue?
Yes.
Again he sat with his children and wife. They said, whatever you decide is fine. He made a decision. He was already winding up his business. He continued winding up. He sold his house in Mumbai. And with that money, he purchased one more home in Mira Road. That time, Mira Road, little cheaper. Whatever the little money he put in the bank, joined full time. This Prabhu gets up at 2 o'clock. Same style. He finishes 64 hours before 12 o'clock. And 2 years later, they moved to Vrindavan. This money, I really do not know how they maintain. That time, the interest for this money is 2,000 rupees. Devotees in Mumbai would deposit that money in the bank. They would take that money in Vrindavan. He gives it to his wife. He would get over 2 o'clock, 16 rounds over, attend Mangalarti in Krishna Balaram temple, and he would go for a parikrama marga, 7 kilometers, regimental parikrama. Another 16 is over, 2 sets, 32. Then, another 32, he would come and sit in the temple after Bhagavatam class chant. Then another 32, another 16, 4 sets, 12 o'clock. Because he was a jeweler, he helps in Krishna Balaram accounts. And the service by Mumbai devotees to him is, they would deposit this 2,000 rupees. The children, education was over, got married, Krishna arranged. Krishna arranges. Oh, Krishna arranges wonderful. The point is, you have to see the hand of Krishna. Little tests here and there. But I don't encourage anybody. So, what I'm trying to tell you, I'm just only here to inspire with the stories. You understand? You should know, I could not dare to chant 64 every day till this day. Conditioning. So, sthane sthita shrutigata tanuvan manobhir. Stay where you are. Don't change it. But slowly change. Like you are getting about, every day you are getting about 7 o'clock. If you get out 4 o'clock, you'll sleep in the office. Get up at 6:45 for 15 days. That's how you have to change your biological clock. Never take any hasty decisions. But keep the fire on. You understand? Like, you know, how many books? I asked Vaiseshi Prabhu. He said, I will send. I cannot come. I will send Krishna Purushottam Prabhu and Malini Mataji. They will come and give seminars. They are excellent. So, he told us in Vrindavan. So, that is an inspiration. Can you do it? I can't do it. That is the worst thing. You are discouraging others. One time Prabhupada asked, what do you think? Prabhupada, you can't make it. Prabhupada said, don't discourage me. They're not the pure devotee, no. They are. When, what is his name? Hiranyaksha was using bad words. Varaha, you know, the Varaha incarnation, Supreme Lord, he felt very bad. He has feelings. We also have feelings. We are not pure devotees either. You know? So, does it answer your question? Any other question, or we will finish it? Any question or comment?
So Uday is sitting there. We got Bhagavatam just 1 week before. His first time from.
Thank you.
And also he is also very inspired. Narasimha.
And then Hari
And
Prasad.
Prabhu also. Yes, very good.
Who?
And
So Hari Prasad actually.
Yes, sir.
I just
Hari.
met him at ICC.
Oh, yeah.
Day before yesterday.
Yes, Prabhu.
So, I have a lot of interest to hear Krishna Katha. Same problem as chanting. Like, how can I anchor this one for chanting? I mean,
Chanting is an activity of mind. Body listens much better than mind. Do some service in the temple. Then Krishna's mercy comes. Also listen Krishna Katha. Initially you do for some time, then start with one round. You know? Without Krishna's mercy, we cannot continue. Every mantra you're chanting means Krishna is agreeing to come onto your tongue. So do some service and then Krishna Katha, then slowly come to chant. Yes, Prabhu.
How to inspire parents and family members in the house? Yeah, we, as you said, right, our plate is served, but the immediate thing we wanted to do is to our immediate family members and parents.
Especially parents, by example. You should never preach to parents. They know you day one. Parents very tough. You know, so preach them by example, do service. If they feel you are really changed, you have really become better. And usually, you know, in your case, I have seen usually, Prabhu changes, mother changes. Usually, you know. But father, anyway, relatives to change, you need to set an example. Preach by example, not words. Very important. You know, do service to them. You know, speak to them nicely. Then they feel this guy really changed even after going to America. Then they'll take up chanting. That is my experience. Right? If you apply philosophy on them, he doesn't know anything, he's inspired. These Hare Krishnas are like that only. You know, they change. Okay? Anything else? Otherwise,
Yeah, not to. Actually, my parents came here. He saw me every day chanting. He picked it up. I mean, he's a farmer. He worked so hard for until recently.
Wow.
From the age of 11, his age of 11 to almost 65, he worked hard in the field and whatever that is like. But he never. Maybe he may be going to temple and
Never
doing
chant.
1 minute thing and all. But when he came here, he saw me chanting. He picked up and he chanting it in India now.
Hare
Of course, I don't do Hare Krishna this thing. I do Gayatri Sadhana. So I don't see any difference between Krishna and Gayatri. So that's what he is doing there.
If you don't see, along with Gayatri, you can start chanting Krishna also.
Yeah, I respect that suggestion, but I see Gayatri, everything in Gayatri. Krishna, Rama, Shiva, everything. Whatever good things are there, Almighty is there, I see in the Gayatri Mata. Rama.
So what you can do is you should read Bhagavad Gita.
I read Bhagavad Gita. I
As it
read
is?
Bhagavad Gita every day, one sloka at least.
The translation purport.
Yeah. I mean, I have 3 versions of different versions of Bhagavad Gita.
You can, yes, as it is.
He got Bhagavatam also.
You got Bhagavatam, okay.
He got
Please read Bhagavatam. Any other question or comment? So we'll end it here. Very grateful. Thank you.